Good morning, students. Today we will read in grammar past tense. Okay. So about present tense we have read in our previous video. So in past tense it is also divided into according to the time of action. It is divided into four parts. Number one. Number one, simple past or past indefinite. Then number two, past continuous or progressive. Then number three, past perfect. Number four, past perfect continuous. Okay. So like this, present tense, present simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. In past also, according to time of action, it is divided into four parts: simple past, past continuous or past progressive, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. But today in our video, we read about only simple past or past indefinite. Okay. So what is simple past? Simple past is used for the action that happened or existed at the some point of in the past. So past means you can say here yesterday. Today is present tense, tomorrow is future tense. So it is a past tense which shows, or simple past shows that the action happened at a point of time, or that used to say about the action happens at the past at the point of time. Okay. So for example, the dog beat my neighbor yesterday. Okay. So beat. So it is past action. So simple past is example. So it is subject, it is be2 verb, okay, and it is object. Okay. So your formula is for simple past is subject plus be2 verb plus object. It is the formula of simple past tense. So you use be2 verb, subject plus be2 plus object. So the dog beat my neighbor yesterday. Okay. Then yesterday it is past tense. Timmy jumped over the fence. Timmy jumped over the fence means in past time Timmy always jumped over the fence. Okay, he could jump over the fence. So it is also says the simple past habits. Habits now simple present means what? The habits of the today's habit. I go to school, I play a game, I go for work. So it is habit of the present time. Past tense means past habit, means in some years ago or some days before or sometimes ago what you did every day. That is also called simple past. Just like the king visited, habit, past habits. It also denote past habits. The king, okay, the king visited the temple every day. Here every day means it doesn't mean that nowadays. Okay, though it is visited means the king visited the temple every day in his time. Okay, in his ruling time the king visited the temple every day. Always it is the habit of the king to visit the temples. As usual, we had dinner. As usual, we dinner. Dinner early. Early means in some years now also we take our dinner early. We had dinner early as usual means like nowadays in many years ago also we had dinner early before the time. So for past event we generally use some words. Okay. What are the words? First we use some words, that is generally. With simple past tense we use some words generally, then always, then often, usually, every day, sometimes. So these words generally, always, often, usually, every day, sometimes, these words always used in the simple past form. Okay. So in simple past, simple sentence, how to change in simple past tense? How do you change the simple sentence to negative or interrogative? Suppose simple past, the boy went. Okay. Went to school. So it is simple past. It is what? V2 verb. So when you use change into negative sentence, so for negative sentence, here we have to use did. So in positive past simple present, what is simple present tense? What? Does or do or does you use in negative. In negative, when you change to negative sentence, here we use did. That is subject plus did plus not plus V1 verb plus subject. So, when you change to negative, the V2 verb will change to V1. So, though you use did here, so V2 verb will change to V1. So, simply easily you can understand that if you write like this, suppose the boy did go to school. Second step, the boy didn't go to school. So when you change into negative, you will not write again went. Okay, did not go. When you change into interrogative sentence, question, then did the boy go to school? You have to remind these things very well. So in simple present, third person what you do? Does. First person, second person do like this here. But first person, second person, third person you will only use did. There is no change of any words. Okay. So subject plus did plus not plus V1 plus subject. Interrogative subject, did will come first. Did plus subject plus V1 plus subject. So you must remind this. While changing this positive sentence to negative or interrogative sentence, you must use did there, and V2 verb changes to V1 verb. Forming verbs in the simple past tense. So how the simple present to simple past tense will change? There is some rules also. Here when you change simple present to simple past by adding ed. Okay. If some words by adding ed at the root of main word. So allow, ALLOWED. Listen. Then curl, play, played. Cooked, talk. Means simply ed is used or added with the root word. Root word means allow, complete allow spelling with ed. Listen, ed. Then curl, ed, like this. And second rule is, if the word is ended with e, then only d will be added with the root word. Means it is bake is root word, only here d is added. Bake. Chess is root word, not, some words will not change whether it is simple present or past. Cost, cost, hot, hot, cut, cut, put, heat. Like some words, it will not change any spelling. And sometimes the words changes the complete spelling. Break, broke, learn, learned, go, went, speak, spoke, then hold, held, hold, held, then take, took. Like this some words, the word spelling completely changed while changing the present to simple present to simple past. So subject verb agreement in simple past. So subject verb agreement word in the verb be. Be verb means is, am, was, were are called. Be verb, be form. So in past tense it is was or were. So in the be form, the simple past tense stay the same whether the subject is singular or plural. The be form will not change. So some sentence. I was unwell. Then he played cricket. So here the verb will be to verb, it will never change. So they were unwell. So suppose he was unwell. Like this, it is subject or it is agreement. According to subject, verb will be changed. Okay. So like this is all about simple past tense. Sometimes the question will be given that the simple present to simple past. If you will be say that simple present to simple past. Suppose he walks to the office. He walks to the office. So it is in simple present. When you change to simple past, he walks will changes to walked. Past tense, then other will remain same to the office. Okay. Then suppose my father drives. My father drives a car. It is in simple present tense. So when you change into past, so my father drives will change to drove. Complete spelling then drove. Yes. So like this you will do all the exercises. So like this you will change some simple present tense sentence to simple past tense. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.